So I just picked up this Go Transit F59Ph as part of the mystery box that I purchased. So here's the unboxing of the locomotive. First time taking it out of the package. I had one of these before, and I'll be honest, it fell apart like taking it out of the box. So hopefully I got a good one this time around. So we got our operator's manual, you know, quick easy read here. Yeah, right. The stickers, which they're so proud of, and the sticker factory they keep in business, and the stickers we pay for. I guess I can put them on a toolbox or something, but I should mail that to Rapido. Yeah. There are no words. There are no words. Nice models, but, you know, interesting company. Put it that way. Exploded parts diagram, great. Alright, here comes the business. Alright, uh-oh. Oh, yeah, I see it in the box. I don't know if you can see that reflection, but the rear hood of the locomotive is not intact. It's in there. Yeah. Same thing happened with my other one. These locomotives are not necessarily the best. Come on, you. Ugh. Yep, there it is there. Just hanging out. There it is. Yep. Typical, typical, typical. And this is many of the Rapido products, is my understanding, and something they never really wanted to address or talk about. It seems that they've had a lot of quality control problems, and that's my understanding anyway in the community. And well, they'll acknowledge some of them, but others are just sort of ignored, swept under the carpet kind of thing. Okay, there we go. Wow, difficult. So there it is there. 561 late model, and there's that rear, what I call hood kind of assembly. It just goes over the light at the back. Yeah, you can see where it broke off. A little bit of CA will fix that, no problem. So it just goes bloop right there. So this is fairly typical of this particular style of locomotive. The guy at the hobby shop told me that when I bought this anyway, so that a lot of the customers had that very same problem, same issue. Yeah, with mine, I don't know. At least this looks a little bit more straight than mine does. Very nice piece. Alright, I guess we can put it on the test track and see if it works. Here we are here. And we'll see if we'll let the smoke out, as they say. So I am running today. I don't know if you can see that. There. I'm running Decoder Pro. And so we'll go new locomotive. There's a window. And we'll read the type from the decoder. Let's just see if it's going to read the decoder. Oh, we have sound. Life. Okay. Oh, good. It did detect the decoder. So it's a Loc-Sound 5 decoder, and we will call this Go Transit 561. Or just Go 561. That's fine. I just want to see if it works. And we'll change the address. Don't know why the address is 128. That's really weird. the default address should be 3. Anyway, yeah, 561 will make it. Now I run digital only, and we'll hit right and save. It's part of my roster now. Where are you? There you are, my roster. And we'll bring up a throttle. Come on. Slow computer. Oh, there we go. So we'll turn it on. And we'll turn on the sound. I think it's F8. Oh, good. See if it works. All right. Very nice. I'll hit reverse. And there it is there. A late model Go Transit F59Ph. I just have to glue this back on and hopefully it sets up properly. But all in all, nice locomotive. Alright, that's all. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Lunatics!